If Discord is showing error code 2002, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Discord working again. This error is often related to voice settings, cached files, permissions, or even a network issue, so we're going to go through each step one by one in the safest and easiest way possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes and tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Discord and go to User Settings. You can find that by clicking the gear icon near your profile picture. Once you're inside Settings, look for Voice and Video on the left side menu. This is where Discord stores a lot of the audio and connection settings that can sometimes cause problems. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Voice and Video page and you'll see a button that says Reset Voice Settings. Click that button and confirm the reset if Discord asks. This will restore the voice settings back to their default values, which can clear out any bad configuration that may be triggering the error. After that, give Discord a moment, then test it again and see if the issue is gone. If you're still seeing error code 2002, the next step is to clear Discord's cache. Cached files can become corrupted over time, and when that happens, Discord may start acting up or fail to connect properly. To do this on Windows, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type %appdata%/discord/cache and press enter. A File Explorer window should open directly to the cache folder. Delete the contents of that folder, or if needed, delete the folder itself. Don't worry, this will not remove your account or your server data. It simply clears temporary files that Discord rebuilds automatically the next time it opens. Once that's done, close the folder and launch Discord again to check whether the error is fixed. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is running Discord as an administrator. Sometimes Discord needs extra permissions to connect properly or access the system the way it should. But before you do that, make sure Discord is fully closed. Open Task Manager and end any Discord processes if they're still running in the background. Then right-click your Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If a permissions issue is causing the error, this can often solve it right away. After Discord opens, try logging in or rejoining the voice channel again and see if it works normally. Now let's move to the network side, because error code 2002 can also happen when there's a connection or routing issue. Start by restarting your modem and router. Unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and let the connection fully restore. This can refresh your internet path and fix temporary routing problems. Also, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Discord's connection and cause errors like this, especially if the route to Discord servers is unstable or blocked. After restarting your network and disabling the VPN, open Discord again and test the connection one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the issue completely. If not, go back through the steps carefully and make sure Discord was fully closed before clearing the cache or running it as administrator. Those details matter more than you might think. Hopefully by now, Discord error code 2002 is gone and everything is working normally again. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.